In our previous video, we have done the basic setup in Angular application. In this video, we will learn how to consume GetAllBooks API in Angular application. First, we will create a new component in this application. Type this command in terminal window ng g for generate, c for component and component name, let's say allbook, then press enter. This command will create new component in this application. See here in this app folder we have all book component. Now in this book service let's add the base path. For that go to web API application, run this app, copy this URL and go to Visual Studio Code Editor, paste it here, append it with API then books. This is the base URL for all APIs. Now let's create a new method to get all the books. Public get books. To deal with HTTP we can use observable. Here we can pass any. Here we have to return this dot http dot. Here we are going to use get method, this dot base path. That's it. We can get all the books from this URL, so we can pass the base path here. Now using this method we can get all the books from the database. Now open the all book component file. Inside this component we can use the book service. So in the constructor service, now we will create a new method, private get books, type void. Using this instance of this service we can get all the books value. So this dot service, here we can call the get books method from book service. We have to subscribe this method because we are using observable in this book service. Let's create one public variable here, public books, type any. In the subscribe method we can use the result variable. Now inside this result variable we will get all the books value. So this dot books result. So in this books property we can assign the result. Now we can call this get books method from this ng on init. So this dot get books method. To display the result in UI we have to make some changes in HTML file. So let's open this all book component HTML file, remove this code from here. Now go to the browser, search for get bootstrap, open this link. This is the official website of Bootstrap. Click the docs here, search for table. Here scroll down. Here we have the code for this table. So copy this code, paste it in Visual Studio Code Editor, save the changes. Let's open app routing module file. In this routes variable we have to define the path. So here path books, and then comma. Here we have to specify the associated component. Let's say all book component. Save the changes. Now open app component.html file. Here scroll down. copy this router outlet and remove everything from this file. So paste it. Okay, that's it. Now save all the changes. Now let's run this application by using this command ngserve-o, then press enter. It will take a few seconds to run this application. In the browser, navigate to the URL. Here we got the outcoded value in table form. Now right click here, then choose inspect, then go to network tab, refresh this page again. See here, we are getting the error. This is a coarse error. We did not get any response for this application. See in the console window, the error is from, or we are trying to access this resource from this domain. So that's why we got this error. By default, we will get this coarse error. In our next video, we will fix it. Thanks for watching this video.